Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, pumpkins. They're a favorite vessel for Halloween and clear through the autumn season to Thanksgiving. It's easy if you have the proper professional techniques. For removing the top, I prefer a saw. It's easier to work with than a knife. For cleaning out the inside, an ice cream paddle is the perfect tool. Once you have it cleaned out, to keep it fresh for as long as possible, spray the inside with Pam cooking spray. It actually coats the surface, seals it so that it will last longer. Then, go ahead and remove the lid. Put a liner with foam directly in. If you want to attach the lid, easiest is just to use wood picks. I like to use 3. It's a little sturdier that way. Anchored in place with Oasis Floral adhesive. That way it locks it so that you can design with that into the arrangement. Lastly, always, always, always set the pumpkin on a plate or a tray. You don't want to damage any surface that it's sitting upon. Now you know the professional tips for keeping your pumpkin fresh and fabulous for as long as possible.